Discuss in the next chapter in plant physiology, photosynthesis in higher plants. Photosynthesis in higher plants. In this chapter, we need to understand what is the photosynthesis, what is the process of photosynthesis, types of photosynthesis. It means light reaction and dark reaction. What are the pigments are involved in the process of photosynthesis? What are the requirements of photosynthesis? And some special adaptations in some different plants for the photosynthesis. So we are discussing this chapter, that is photosynthesis in higher plants. So first thing, we need to understand historical background of photosynthesis. So historical background of photosynthesis. It means so many scientist persons, their discoveries and their contributions and their experiments. So we need to discuss in this concept, that is historical background of photosynthesis. So many years of back, so many scientist persons, they conduct their experiment, they give some conclusions. So the first scientist, von Helmont, that first scientist von Helmont. Von Helmont scientist explained that, so plants prepare their food, plants they prepare their food by water, not by soil. Actually plant body, they are fixed in the soil. So how plants are prepare their own food? So plants are prepare their own food by the help of only water, not by soil. How? He took a potted plant and he taken two measurements. One is the individual, that is the plant weight, molecular weight, or body mass weight, and soil weight. He has taken two weightage. One is the plant body mass weight and soil mass weight, that is a potted plant. So this is the potted plant. So he took two measurements. One is this is the soil, this is the plant. The plant body weight is 10 grams. Soil weightage is, that is the 100 grams. So this von Helmont scientist supply the water to every day. After few years, what will happen? This 10 gram of plant body is changes into, they increase their size. So 100 kilograms. Soil, in that soil weight, there is no significant change. As usual, 99 grams. 99 grams or 100 grams. Based on this experiment, von Helmont scientist concluded that the plant growth and development, it means the plant body prepare their own food by the help of water only. So by the help of water. Water plays main role in preparation of the food, not soil, because there is no change in soil weight. The plant body weight is increases from the 10 grams to 100 kgs due to addition of water, only water, without adding any minerals, any something, etc. Only adding water. That water only, the water helps to increase the size of the body of plant. So that is, body weight is increased by water, not by, that is the soil. Second person, Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley. In our previous classes, we are understand experiments of Joseph Priestley. What he said that so plants restore the gas from the animals and burning candle also. So plants restore the gas from animals breathe and burning candle they are releasing the gas. So it means plants take up the carbon dioxide from animals and burning candle. It is mainly based on, that is the Bell-Jar experiment. He conducted Bell-Jar experiment. We know that Bell-Jar experiment in our previous classes. That is, Joseph Priestley said that plants restore the gas from animals and burning candle. It means plant take up the carbon dioxide from, that is the animals and burning candle. Third scientist, John Ingenhousz. John Ingenhousz scientist said that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. So sunlight is very essential for photosynthesis. Based on Hydrilla experiment. In Hydrilla experiment, water bubbles were observed. That water bubbles are due to releasing of oxygen. That is Ingenhousz. Ingenhousz said sunlight is important for photosynthesis. Next, another scientist, Sachs. This scientist said that the plants prepare the food by photosynthesis. Plants prepare the food by the photosynthesis. Plants are prepare their own food by the help of this photosynthesis. Next scientist is Engelmann scientist. So Engelmann scientists conduct their experiments on Cladophora green algae. This is Cladophora algae is the green algae. He conducted some experiments. So this is the water medium. The scientist kept this Cladophora in the water medium. So this is the Cladophora algae. So he supplied, that is the VIBGR light. VIBGR light. So this Cladophora algae shows response to this light. In these different lights, VIBGR, different colors is there, different wavelength of light is present. So this Cladophora algae responds to two lights only. One is the blue light and one more is the red light. So the total amount of Cladophora is accumulated in the light presence of blue, in the light presence of, that is the red. Based on this experiment, he said that all plants are, it means is in these two places, blue light and red light, these two lights are very suitable lights for photosynthesis. High photosynthetic rate is take place in blue and red light. So plants are there perform the photosynthesis in blue and red lights. These blue and red lights are the particular wavelength which is suitable for that plants are prepare their own food. That is Van Neel scientist. Next scientist, Van Neel scientist. These scientists conduct the experiments on two bacteria. One is conduct the experiments on, that is the green bacteria comma purple bacteria. Green comma purple bacteria. He conducted his experiments on blue bacteria green bacteria comma purple bacteria, and he gave some conclusions in the plant body. Two types of reactions, that is two types of reaction taking place. So photosynthesis followed by, one is the light reaction, one more is the light independent reaction. Light independent reaction. Light reaction which is necessary for that is the light is very important for this reaction. So light reaction takes place in light independent reaction, it is not required light, it is absence in light. And he said one more thing, hydrogen is suitable, that is a complex, sustainable complex. Hydrogen is the sustainable complex to reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. It means carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates or starch because of hydrogen. That's why he said hydrogen is a sustainable complex for reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. It means carbon dioxide is changes into food by the help of this hydrogen. Next scientist person in this historical background of photosynthesis. Next scientist, Robert Hills. So according to this scientist, plants use sunlight for generation of, it means generation of, that is the reducing power. That is the reducing power means this complex, that is hydrogen. So plants are release the hydrogen by the help of sunlight. This hydrogen which is responsible for reduction of the carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So plants use sunlight for generation of, that is the reducing power, that is hydrogen. Generation of, that is the hydrogen. Next scientist, Theodore. This Theodore scientist said that water is essential for photosynthesis. It said that water is essential for photosynthesis. Water is essential for photosynthesis. So water plays. Engelmann. Next scientist, Engelmann. Next scientist, Emerson. he proposed Emerson effect. Emerson effect. This is red drop effect. Red drop effect. He said that. So what is the red drop effect or Emerson effect? We are discussing next classes. Next one, he said that in this plant body, it means in that photosynthesis, two systems are works. One is the photosystem 1, comma photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. These both systems are works in the process of photosynthesis. And light reaction, comma dark reaction. These both reactions takes place in the process of photosynthesis. So he said that Emerson effect or red drop effect. Emerson effect means what is the Emerson effect means we need to discuss in next classes. But photosystem 1, photosystem 2. These two also we are discussing next classes. It means photosystem 1, photosystem 2. Two systems are works in photosynthesis. Next, light reaction and dark reaction. This two is the process of photosynthesis. We need to discuss in next classes. What is that? Next, last scientist, that is the Melvin Calvin. He said that he explained complete C3 cycle. He explained complete C3 cycle. So this C3 cycle also known as a Calvin cycle, also called as a Calvin cycle. So C3 cycle is one of the process in photosynthesis. We need to discuss in next class. Actually, not only these 10 members. In that reference books, so many scientist persons, like 50 members of scientist persons, we are referred in reference books. But these 10 members are the important scientists and their contributions. In next class, we are discussing about exact process of photosynthesis and starts with pigments, photosynthetic pigments.